Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to separate the data without using string functions in Power BI. So first I will show my table, my data here, text document which contains three rows. So all these are details related to demographic. So these three countries are the most populated countries in the world. So India is the first country with 1.49 billion, followed by China with 1.45 billion and USA 0.33 million. Okay. Now here I want to separate country, year and population. I want to separate the data, the given data, country, year and population without writing the string functions. Generally, if you want to separate the data from the given string, we can use left function, right and mid. By using these three string functions, we will separate the data. So I will show how to separate the data without using string functions. So this is my Power BI desktop. So I already loaded the data. So for this, I am taking visualization tool table. So I'm selecting the table and select the data. Now you can see the data. So if you want to increase the size, go to visuals and go to values and increase the size, dragging this size. Now this is the original data. From this I want to separate country, year and population. Now I will go to one transformation, transform the data here. Click on transform the data and again click on transform data. It will open one more Power Query editor window. Now you can see your data here. Okay. Now so here the different options are there. Suppose here I want to get first three letters. We can use the transform option. In the transform there is the extract option is there. If you click on the extract option, so you will get a length, first characters, last characters, range, like this you will get. So I am selecting the table, I am using the first characters option. So if I mention the count as 3, now your country is separated from the given string. So I mention the count as 3 and click OK. Now it is separated India, China and USA. But we miss the original data. So here by using the transformation with extract data, you will miss the original data. Now I don't want to miss the data. I will keep the original data as it is and I want to separate the remaining columns by using add column. So you can use add column, extract data. So here first characters and go to count here and click OK. Now you can see, so country is separated. Now again I am selecting the same data here, add column, extract. This time I am selecting the range to get the year. So here my index is 4, starting index is 4. I want to get 4 characters. Okay, and click OK. Now you can see year. Okay, and my last one is population. Again select the data, add column, extract, last characters. So here's what is the logic. So I want to extract last 4 characters, so that I am giving count as 4. Now you can see 1.49, 1.45, 0.33. So by this way you can separate the data using add column extract. Okay, so but so here is one problem is there. Suppose there is one more country is entered in the data, so with different population. So if you apply the first 3 characters in this scenario, so you will get IND one more time. We already India is there IND. Now if you, this is Indonesia. if you separate the first three characters, so you will get one more IND. So this transformation is possible only when your source data is identical. That means if you apply the logic, so it will apply to entire rows in the text document. So here three characters is denoted to get the country name. If you have more than three characters, so it will not applicable. So this is how you need to separate the data without using string functions. So in any of these scenarios, we haven't used left, mid or right. So just by using add column or transform and extract to separate the data from the original. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.